Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Today, you guys, I wanted to do some more savings challenge cash stuffings, and I'm so grateful for the side hustle coming through once again. I'm just going to keep pushing. I mean, you're going to keep getting these videos from me. Until, either I don't have cash or I figure out another plan, another awesome way to save. The savings challenges have been working for me, and I'm excited about it, so I hope you all are still very much excited. We're going to roll the dice today because this savings challenge binder has SNC budget creation savings challenges, and there are 6 envelopes in this binder. So we're stuffing today 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, $27 is what I'm working with today. And I'm hoping that later this week we'll be able to do another cash stuffing for our savings challenges. We're going to see though, because I put some money aside because when the side hustles come through, I want to make sure that I can do some things with my kiddos. And it just really depends on whether or not we're going to do something if we get another cash stuffing video, savings challenge. All right, so I'm trying to mix this up a little bit, and I'm actually looking this time because last time I was trying to mix it up and I'm not sure I did a very good job mixing. But anyway, I'm not sure that's a good job either. But one moment, let me just make sure you're in frame. Okay, so I think you all are in frame. So all of these savings challenges, you will be able to find link down, well, the website, at the Etsy shop, you'll find down below, and you can get these savings challenges there. All right, so what we'll do is we will go ahead and roll the dice, see which envelope is getting what. We'll pull 2 bills and go from there. Let's see, 6. All right, number 6 is getting, ooh, a spicy, a 6, okay. 1, 2, 4. Number 4 is a winter. 1, 2, 1. 1 is getting 2, 3, okay. All right, so we got our $5. 6, dang, 6 said it. Okay, I came to work today. 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's see here. 6, okay, let's see. Let's just see where 6 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. All right, so this one only needed $8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of continuing on working on number 6, we're going to skip number 6. We're going to put these bills back in the pile, and we're going to continue on because we need to finish some other savings challenges. 3. 1, 2. Okay. Yay! So number 3 is done as well. So 4. 1 and 2. 6. 3. 4. This was 4, right? Yes. 1 and 2. 6. 5. All right. 5 got some love. All right, so this one is a roll and save. So the first roll, we're going to put $3 into that one. And if we get another 5, then we know. Oh, 6, 2. All right. I want to say all of my savings challenges got some love, but we're about to find out. Let's see. So January got, oh, shoot. I think we may have finished this one. 2, 4, 5, 6. It only needed $6. That was the bonus. Yay! That's exciting. All right. I like it when that happens. I wasn't even looking out for this one. All right, so we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. 25 big ones in this savings challenge. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And I will put February in here at some point, but not today. So we're going to go ahead and set this one off to the side because it is completed. Yes. All right, we'll find another savings challenge in just a moment. Capricorn is getting $2 here. 1 and 2. Some of these savings challenges that I didn't think they would take as long as they are, but you know, that's how it goes. Some weeks some cash stuffings, they don't get any money. All right, so we got $2 going into the mermaid, which means that this one is completed as well. So we'll count that one in just a moment. 1, 2. Yay! All right, did we pull all the cash out? Yes. 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Boom! Yes, I love it when they come together like that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 going into our winter savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. This one's coming along pretty well. So now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big ones. Okay, so this savings challenge is a roll and save, and we're going to go ahead and put $3 here, which is fantastic. This one is another monthly, just like this one. Only difference is this one is a Christmas theme, and I figured I'm going to work on stuffing my Christmas binder at some point, but we're going to start on with our sinking funds. Might as well get using the savings challenges. $3 there. Next savings challenge got $8, and yes, this is one we are finishing today. All right, what color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I think this one, yes, $20 is what this should be here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Oh my goodness, we finished 3 savings challenges today. Super duper exciting. Give me a moment. I'm just going to see which other savings challenges I want to work on. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled my werewolf savings challenge. It's a fierce queen, and then the soft girl era. So let's see here. I think this one was too big for, oh no, I think it'll fit. Okay, let's do this. Fits perfectly. All right, so we're adding in the soft girl era and also our werewolf savings challenge. Perfect. And like I said, all of these savings challenges you can find linked down below. So we've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges. We've completed 3 of them as well, which is amazing. I'm pretty excited about this. So exciting because pretty soon we'll come together and we will do a cash stuffing to reallocate the savings challenges from both of these binders. So that way we can stay on track with our sinking funds. Well, should I say get on track, because that will, haven't even started yet. We're going to get on track with our sinking funds, because that is a big part of why I'm stuffing these savings challenges, to get my finances in order in terms of preparing for the future. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.